Alright, July 13th, 2022, Tyler Hayes here, 2101, coming to you a little bit north of Ladysmith. 563 is just now departing Ladysmith after doing sit-outs in Ladysmith Yard. 5450 is back, but sporting Nathan P5s. Let's check them out. Algoma Central 238 432 for the 563 end of train devices going. Off they go to Stone Lake. I do work at Weirgore and excellent areas. I'll do it for this video here in Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.